Hey, hi, it's Matthew Ray with MarineMax Sarasota, here to show you another one of our great boats. This is the Sea Ray 2018 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck Outboard. Come on aboard, let me show you some of the great features on this boat. The 290 Sundeck is a twin-engine version of our really popular 270 Sundeck. Because it's got the two engines, it gives us the ability to offer joystick piloting. So we have a joystick on this boat. Makes docking the boat a breeze. It has a bundled autopilot. Has skyhook, station keeping capability. Makes it great to hang around the dock, to move into a slip, to help you dock the boat, help you fuel the boat. Also great for station keeping, waiting for a bridge to open. On the 290, what you have here is a day boat that offers room for the whole family, your friends, whatever you want to do on the boat. You can cruise it, you can run it down to the beach, you can beach it, you raft up, it's got every capability. Has a vacuum flush head that's available as an option, or in this model, the porta potty with a pump out head. Saves you from having to go back to the marina or back to home base when it's time to go to the bathroom. Perfect to come out here on this boat, spend the entire day in the sun and with this huge bimini top out of the sun. So you have some great shade. Come on aboard, take a look at some of the great features. Again, it's a joystick boat. So we have our throttle binnacle here, joystick here, makes docking a breeze, really a nice feature. There's space for 12 on this boat, so you have lots and lots of room. It's a 9-foot beam boat, about 29, 30 foot long with 120 gallon fuel capacity, so you can go anywhere on the boat. It's great for the Gulf, great for the Bay. For out here when we get 2-foot chop, makes it a breeze to run through. The boat's available with a windlass if you want to have that. It also has a bow stair if you don't do the windlass option. In here is a pretty generous head compartment. This actually has the vacuum flush toilet and the upgraded sink with the vanity. You have the beautiful infinity carpet. It's all got non-skid underneath. Makes it easy for you to take it out if you do want to go and not have the carpeting. You've got it right there, very safe. Abundant storage for your biminis, for your canvas, anything you need, water skis, tubes, PFDs, what have you. If you want to learn more about this boat, or any of the other great Sea Rays that we have here, please reach out for us. Again, Matthew Ray, MarineMax here in Sarasota.